I'm Brianna Jackson. I'm the president of LISA, and LISA stands for the Library and Information Science Student Association. LISA is about connecting students to alumni, making sure they're staying current in library trends. It's a lot of professional development. So we have weekly meetings and we have guest speakers come in and we talk about current issues in libraries, and we try and focus it around what people are interested in. We use the funding that we receive to sponsor students who go to conferences. So we just went to NYLA, which is the New York Library Association conference. So we received funding for that, and that actually paid for students' housing for the time. We also use it for activities that we do, so we put on events. Sometimes we do Day of Fits, and that's a huge event for us, and we have people come in and just do presentations. It really gave me a chance to meet people. It was one of the things I was nervous about as a first year coming in, and we're only here for 2 years, and it's a short amount of time, but it was a really great way to be involved. I really enjoy the meetings. I like talking with people who are further down their careers, and they have a lot of advice for us, and I just think it's a really great way for us to kind of just get together and really talk about the profession outside of the classroom.